It's Thredup Thursday, and today's the day, y'all. Today is the day that I am going to open the expensive Thredup Designer Box. Not DIY designer, not the 7 items for $140, but the $450 box with 4 items in it. Y'all, I'm scared. I'm really nervous about this box. I ordered this one on the second day of the restock. I actually had it in my cart on the first day that it popped up on the Thredup website and thought it was the DIY designer box until I went to check out and I saw the price and I was like, hold on a minute. No, thank you. So of course I thought about it for like 24 hours. And then when it popped up again the next day, I decided to go ahead and get it. When I ordered the box, I really thought that it would be like very high-end, maybe like Chanel YSL handbag, and some really high-end designer items that are in good condition, ready to resell, unlike some of the items that you get in the DIY designer box. So hopefully you guys are just hopping over here from Lindsay Clark's channel. She is opening hers today as well, and I can't wait to see what she got. There have been a few other unboxings on YouTube. I know Steph Style did one and Winifred B. I will link all of the channels and videos below that I've watched of these unboxings. So the reason I'm so nervous, well, first of all, is the price of this box, right? But secondly, I've seen some of these unboxings and it's not exactly what I was expecting when I ordered the box. So let's see what I got, y'all. Here we go. This one is from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, I ordered on the second day that they put these up. I have not cut the tape. Mine on the side says D6, so I don't know. Let's see what's in the box. Oh goodness. So the box was $450, contains 4 items that are supposed to be in good condition, and there is shipping and tax. I will have to look back and see exactly what I ended up paying, my all-in costs, but I think it was close to $500, y'all, so pray for me. Okay, let's see. Here's my receipt. Ordered on April 25th. And yeah, rescue box, 4 designer items, $450. So here we go. I'm gonna give y'all a first peek. I usually, for some reason, I feel like I'm unboxing on this side, and for whatever reason, I'm unboxing on this side. So I don't know what I'm doing today, y'all. I do see a pair of sneakers off the top. Let's hope they're good. I feel like this box is actually kind of light, so that was making me nervous, but I'm glad we at least have a pair of shoes in here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we do have a pair of Golden Goose. These are adorable. These are a black leather, and they have a purple lace with an animal print, the animal print star. The toe is a gray suede, and look how sweet the back is. You've got the glitter and things like that. One thing I'm checking for on these items is the condition, because they should not be DIY, in my opinion, okay? They should be ready to sell. All right, so we expect a little bit of distressed or dirty look with Golden Goose, so that's fine. I don't see any heel drag, which is the other thing I would look for. However, the bottom is pulling away. So I'm not super thrilled about that, but Golden Goose is good. Okay, let's see if we see the size. Let's pull out the insole. Everything looks good on this one. Usually with designer sneakers, you want to pull out your insole and check to make sure everything inside the shoe is the way it should look and that the insole itself is the way it should look. This does say made in Italy, and these are a size 36 right there. Too bad they're not my size, y'all. Wouldn't that be amazing? I mean, that would be the other great thing, is if there was something in here that I would get to keep. Okay, so shoe number 1. Little disappointed about this pulling away here, but not disappointed in the fact that it's Golden Goose. Although, you know, you can get Golden Goose in the other boxes. Maybe not in as good a condition as these. And these are super adorable. So, similar issue here. The little bit of pulling away, but no heel drag. So I would say overall, these are in pretty good condition. So item number 1, 1 of 4, we got the Golden Goose sneakers. Okay. Not mad about that. Let me give you another peek. Really, we can just see the next item. This looks, oh wait. What's happening here? Oh, they folded it. Okay, hold on, I have to, they like rolled it up. So they're all rolled together, which I'm thinking that means the rest is clothing. I don't know. Okay. Next item. Look at this. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. We have a gold stretch dress. It does look off the bat like it's in great condition. You have an asymmetrical hem at the top, collar line. And this is Solace. Okay, I'm gonna have to comp all these out. You know what? I will comp these out before I post the video and put like similar comps on the screen so you guys can see what they might resell for. Let's make sure there's a size on here, because that's the other thing. I would think that there should be sizing on all these items, because that's one of the things with the DIY designer boxes that they may not have sizing, which makes it harder to sell. The inside of this is like a neoprene. It's really nice. Okay. This does have a size. It is a US 6, and I'm probably going to have like gold glitter all over me. This is the ear dress, E-Y-R-E. Is that how you say it? Probably not. 59% viscose, 29% polyamide, 11% metallic, 1% elastane. So we do have all of the appropriate tags on the inside, right here and here. So that's good. Again, I've never sold this brand, so I have no idea what this will comp out for. But see how the inside is lined with this stretch neoprene? Looks like it's in great condition. So, okay. Next, we have, ooh, this is beautiful. Y'all, look at this blazer. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, if this was in my size, I would, this is like, I love this. Okay, so we have a black blazer with a metal studded collar, and then part of it is leather. This is gorgeous. Okay, what brand are you? Okay, we've got another good brand, Couples. That's how I say it. It's probably wrong. Y'all are gonna be correcting me. I know that this brand resells really well. So again, I will see if I can find this exact match somewhere and see what this might resell for, to give you guys an idea. And then look at these details. You've got the leather lined pocket. This is awesome. Okay, this is gorgeous. Oh, I didn't look for a size. Let's see. Usually it'll be inside of one of the pockets. And if I don't see it, I won't take too long, even though it is a quick unboxing. And I'll put it on the screen. If I can't find it, I will also put that on the screen. Oh, here it is. I checked in that pocket. Where was it hiding? Okay. Outer shell is 98% wool, 2% elastane, and dry clean only. I don't see the size. I don't see the size on this, so I will have to look a little bit closer, but this is the tag that was inside the pocket. Oh, is it a double tag? Hold on. I still don't see the size on here. Again, I'll look it over a little closer and I will, oh, maybe this is it. Made in Poland. Anyway, great brand. Happy about that. Great condition. I've got to find the size on this, but otherwise, very happy with this one. Okay. All right, so no handbag, y'all. Okay. That was what I was really hoping for. We got 3 items of clothing and sneakers. This is the last item. Also clothing in black. We have a, I don't know, I guess kind of like a overlay. It's not really a blouse. You could wear like a cami or something underneath it. You've got this beautiful hardware here that buckles over, and then you have this sheer side and the sheer cap sleeve. This is gorgeous. Okay, let's see who made you. Again, it looks like from first glance it's in good condition. And not super thrilled with the brand on this one, but we're going to take what we can get here. We've got Alexander Wang. And let's see if we see a size. It is made of viscose and elastane and 100% silk. Gorgeous. This is really beautiful. And this one is a size 6. Maybe you guys already saw that. Okay, so Alexander Wang doesn't typically resell for the most, but I will comp this piece out and see what I can find. It is beautiful. So what I will say about this box, now that I've opened mine, is the brands were good. Everything seems to be in good condition. Will I buy this box again? I don't know. I'm going to comp everything out. My gut tells me no. But I was very nervous to open the box, and I would have to say that overall, I'm pleasantly surprised. So take a look at the comps. Make sure to drop in the comments what you think. Make sure if you didn't check out Lindsay's video before mine, I will make sure to link that above. So go back and watch her video. And I don't know, give us your opinion. See what you think. Is this box worth the money or not? And if you're not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I post 2 unboxings a week and also usually do a recap. I'll be back next week with those. I'm going to be doing a jewelry box and a fun box. I hope everybody has an amazing weekend. Bye, y'all.